Tired of fighting about money with your partner? You're not alone. Couples, especially those navigating different spending habits and financial goals, often find themselves at odds when it comes to finances. Enter YNAB, the wildly popular budgeting app that promises to take the stress out of money management. But can this budgeting method actually work for couples, or is it doomed to cause more conflict than it solves? YNAB stands for You Need a Budget. It's based on the core principle of giving every dollar a job. This means you're not just tracking your spending, you're actively assigning each dollar to a specific purpose, like rent, groceries, or that dream vacation. Sounds simple enough, right? But when you throw two people with potentially different financial personalities into the mix, things can get complicated. One of the biggest hurdles couples face is differing spending styles. One partner might be a saver, while the other is a spender. One might be a meticulous planner, while the other prefers to go with the flow. YNAB, with its rigid framework, can feel restrictive to those who prefer more flexibility. This can lead to resentment and disagreements, especially if one partner feels their spending is constantly being scrutinized or limited. However, when used effectively, YNAB can be a powerful tool for couples. It forces open communication about finances, a crucial step towards financial alignment. Couples can openly discuss their spending habits, financial goals, and values. They can identify areas of disagreement and work together to find solutions that work for both of them. Furthermore, YNAB can help couples create a shared financial vision. Whether it's saving for a down payment, planning a wedding, or simply ensuring they have enough for retirement, YNAB provides a framework for tracking progress towards common goals. It can also help couples stay on track with their budget by providing real-time insights into their spending and identifying areas where they can cut back. So, can couples use YNAB? Absolutely. But it requires a conscious effort from both partners. Here are a few tips to make it work. Start with a joint budget meeting. Discuss your financial goals, values, and spending habits openly and honestly. Agree on a shared budget. Work together to create a budget that reflects both of your needs and priorities. Regularly review your budget. Schedule regular budget check-ins to track your progress and make adjustments as needed. Communicate openly and honestly. Discuss any concerns or disagreements promptly and respectfully. Be flexible and adaptable. Life happens. Be prepared to adjust your budget as needed to accommodate unexpected expenses or changes in circumstances. Remember, YNAB is a tool. It's not a magic bullet that will solve all your financial problems. It requires effort, commitment, and open communication from both partners. But when used effectively, it can be a valuable asset in helping couples achieve their financial goals and build a strong financial future together. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.